One of the routines for the Picker Palace is whenever it's daylight savings time, I check the furnace filter. That looks good. I had that replaced last daylight savings time. We checked the smoke detectors. Uh-oh. All right, wrong button. All right, we might have to need a. Hey, policemen sometimes have a holdout piece. I like having an extra smoke detector in the basement just in case one has a bad day. Garrison, Johnny. All right, where's Test?
Yeah.
Sweetie, are you? Oh, I can't. You look good though, sweetie.
Yeah.
Sweetie, can I?
Not really dressed for it. I'm just squeezing work out into the day.
Oh, chosen one, sweetie. So.
What is that?
Oh, Gabriel.
Oh, Daddy's testing the fire.
Gabriel's naked. We're not gonna take any pictures of Gabriel. All right, let's see if we can get this bad boy open. Yeah. Should you take safety tips from a dude that videotapes his family? Probably not, but the thing is, family first, always. My son is watching a show today featuring a scientist who is building a perpetual slinky machine. How cool is that? Basically, it's a small modified escalator that lets a slinky go for forever. He used some time-lapse photography to show the slinky moving for 48 hours on that staircase. I do not think this smoke detector works anymore. I'm going to hold this down to test it. Now, Garrison is going to have love for science just like I did. We found a cell phone at the park. One of these days, we're going to take it apart and look inside. Now, you see that little blinking light there? So, something is wrong with this smoke detector. Maybe we could take it apart, learn about what makes it work. Yeah, there's the little red blinking light thing again. But I got a feeling that something is not working. When I was a little boy, I took apart everything. I was obsessed with learning what made things work. It's kind of a curiosity of mine that could not be satiated. So my poor mom would just give me junk, broken stuff to operate on, and then I would take parts of stuff and put it together and try to make weird things. And some of the things that I started building, well, might have taken me to the island of people that know too much. But sweetie,
Yes.
do you think we should have 2 smoke detectors that work in the basement, or is one enough? Let's make a family decision.
I think one in the basement is fine.
Okay, we got one.
Upstairs.
We got one in the basement that's working. We have
Washing?
one upstairs that's working. When
You want cookies?
When we have people sleeping in the room downstairs, I feel better having 2 smoke alarms. But fortunately, there's no homeless people sleeping in our basement these days, so my wife can rest easy. Sweetie, you looked really good in your workout, by the way.
Well, thank you.
Sweetie, I need to get to that YMCA tomorrow and start pushing Santa Claus's sleigh again.
Help your wife, too.
What? Chosen one? Oh, yeah, Gabe's got no school. Man, I want to put Gabe on that sleigh and push him around, but they won't let me do that neither, I guarantee it.